All right, everybody, welcome to the video here for lesson number 2 on the dilations off of the coordinate plane. So today in class we learned that there's a couple different ways that we can dilate a figure when it's not on the x and y axis. So the first one here has us go through and use B as the center of dilation. Now, if B is the center of dilation, that's fine, right? That just means that we're going to kind of expand from B. So that means A and C are going to move further away from B since the scale factor is larger than 1. Right, for the constructions, I'm always going to give you a scale factor larger than 1 because it just makes it easier for us to do, and we don't really get asked that too much on the Regents exam. So the first thing I have to do is I have to extend the line AB and extend the line BC. These are raised, so let's put some arrows on there. Right, actually, I might have to make that one a little bit bigger because it's by 3. We'll see. You could always make them bigger at the end, but I'd rather just have it done the right way the first time. So just make this kind of a little bit bigger from the get-go. This is not easy to do on this computer, but hey, you get the idea. Then what we need to do is we need to measure the distance from A to B and make a mark. And we're going to make that mark right here at AC. We're then going to pick up our compass and then make another mark from A, that same distance apart. And make another one the same distance apart. And that becomes A prime. We're going to do the same thing for BC. So we got to do our measuring first. It's a little bit smaller than the one for AB. Start by making a mark. We'll then make a second mark, and then make a third mark. And then make that point C prime. And now what we need to do is connect those 2 points so that we have a segment of A prime, C prime. And there you go. There's your triangle that's dilated by a scale factor of 3. So right below that says describe the relationship between the 2 segments. So there are 2 relationships here that you could say. I could say AC is parallel to A prime, C prime. Or I could say AC is half the length of A prime, C prime. I could even say A prime, C prime is double the length of AC. And the last is describe the relationship between the areas. So the area of triangle ABC is in a 1:9 ratio to the area of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. There you go. There's your answers for the homework. Hopefully this video helped. Right. Tomorrow in class we are going to do some practice, just so you know, just with these first 2 lessons, make sure that we're all comfortable before we move on. Good luck with your homework.